You will note that previously we were using a Mac. Right now I am using a Chromebook. So we are going to do the process again with a Chromebook. You will remember we went to devices, we added our device, and our device came here. It's the Arduino Uno. So we straight away press at connect. This one we've already done everything. So when this one comes, you will click at show connected devices. So it detects that this device is connected on your port. So just click connect. After you have connect, it will write like that, connected. So you'll go straight away to this bar. So you'll pick the pin part. So that's where you get the pins to work with, specifically for the Arduino, but we don't want this other code which was already here. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove all those codes that I had already written there, and then we start afresh. So I'll remove all of them. I'll remove all of them. I'll remove this one too. Now, let's get started. You will go to the events. Click at the events button. You'll see when Arduino starts. That is when you're starting to program. So you just drag it there. You put it there. So that is always a starting block for the Arduino. So what do you want the Arduino to do when it starts up? You want it to do something. You want it to do something forever, again and again. So if you want a forever block, you go to the control, because you want it to repeat it again and again. You want it to do forever. So I'll pick a forever, drag it there. What do you want it to do forever? You want, because we have connected, you remember we connected pin 13 to our LED. We want pin 13 to have some power, then stay with that power for some time, then go off and go off for some time. So it will be having power, no power, having power, no power, having power. It will be doing that forever. So where do we get those blocks? We'll get them at pin. So you go at pin, and we are looking for digital pin. We said the pins 0 to 13 are digital pins. So we'll pick this one, pin 9, then we will change. So set pin as high. So we're going to just drag it in, drag it there. It's just like Scratch. If you have ever worked with Scratch before, then you know what I'm talking about. So just type 13. So high in electronics, high means on, low means off. If you want to change, just click at that arrow. You can change to whatever you want. If you want to change this one, just click at the number and just write the other number you want. So we want it to be high, means on. That pin will have some power, voltage. For how long? Let us take, for example, we want it to be on for 1 second. 1 second is 1000 milliseconds. So we'll go to control, and when you click at control, at the top you will see the wait 1 second. So that's already in seconds. So just drag it and put it under there. So it waits for 1 second while it's on. That means it's high. Then after 1 second, what do you want it to do? We want it now to go off, because we want it to blink. Something blinks by going on and off. So we'll go back again to pin. After going to pin, we pick again this set digital pin. Don't worry about 9 and high, we will change. So you put it there. After putting there, you click at 9. We're also going, it's pin 13 we are working with, type 13. But this time round, we want it to go off. And off, we've said, is low. So you click at low. So before it goes on again, because we've said this is a loop, when it gets to this end of the loop, it will automatically go to the top, because it does this forever. It starts from the top. When it gets to the bottom, goes to the top again. That's a loop, forever loop. So before it goes at the top, immediately we want it to wait for another 1 second while it's low. So we will again go to control, pick the 1 second, Just click it, hold it down, and drag it, place it there. And there you go. This program should be able to make your LED blink. So I'm going to bring that circuit close, and before I bring it close, I want to show you how it's now being, how you upload that code to your Arduino. So here, how to upload, you come here to this upload button. So while I am uploading, I will just put the circuit there close so that you see what will be happening while I am uploading the code itself. So let me just put the LED there, and I'm going to click at upload. By clicking at upload, it has started processing. You've seen something there. And congratulations, we have just blinked our first LED. If you want to change it, just come here. Maybe you want half a second. Half a second should be much faster than it is right now. So just click there, write something like 0.5. It should take least time, like half a second. 0.5 is half 0.5. And also put another delay here for 0.5, and then you just upload again. It's as simple as that. So you just do 0.5. So after doing that, we've done 0.5 and 0.5. Just come here again and just click upload. It will do that thing it normally does. And I want you to observe the LED and note. You will note that right now it blinks much faster than it was blinking before. So you have just blinked your first LED. You have created your first program. And just a recap, we came to devices. We added an Arduino. After adding an Arduino, we came and here there was something like connect. We came to connect. We downloaded something for Chrome. This is a Chromebook, so we installed something, an extension for Chrome. Then after doing that, we created this code of ours, and this code of ours has been able to blink our LED. So congratulations once again. Here is your first blink LED circuit. Here is your first blink LED circuit. We have just created. So